my eye grade? 275, 325. Rafa, please, something nice.
Let's get fucking, what's that called? Banned from TikTok.
Why? Pakita mo puwet mo.
Who the fuck?
Loki, you wanna join, baby? Yeah, my baby's still awake. My kalbo loves.
Wait. TikTok. Gago yun na. What the fuck? 244? Ay, gago.
Wherever you go.
Let's get this count, man. Gago.
Guys, Raph, play something
Akala ko
nice.
dump account mo.
Things.
Gago.
I'm loving you. Do you also golf like Jello? Sometimes.
In the world,
I wanna be next to you.
Zakani, Balabu. Ay, gago.
Y'all hoop. I'm in my brother's room right now. This is his man cave or something. Pakitaan mo daw sila.
Guys, send a rose and I will show you a trick shot. Send a rose.
Pineperahan mo pa eh.
Send a rose.
Dunk daw.
Send a rose. I don't play basketball, guys.
Before,
I only play
actually,
Jack and
yun yung
Stones.
love of his life.
Jack
Basketball.
Stones.
Pero ngayon, golf na.
Ngayon si Ate Biyahe na.
Ngayon, si biyahe na.
Gago. Cap hair, boy.
Loki. My dog's name is Loki.
Gago. Kala ko dump account mo talaga.
Things. Alam ko kasi marami pang gising ng ganitong time. Kaya, dito ako nag-live. What time is it?
1:54.
Okay, I'm gonna end this before 2:30 because I have an early day tomorrow.
What's the name of your dog?
Wala pa
Belle.
nagsisend ng rose.
Loki. Wherever you go, I'll be gone.
Kick it into the room.
Loki, come here! Hey, don't go down! Loki! Loki! My dog went down. Why? Loki! Kasi yung ibang dogs na... Ayun na, may nag-rose! May nag-rose! May nag-rose!
Thank you for the roses! Thank you for the roses!
Thank you for the roses.
Bango ng rose! Woo! Ah.
Ayan na! Ang daming rose, oh!
Thank you for the roses!
Ang daming rose!
Woo!
Please stop.
What if ayaw namin?
Who are you?
Who are you to say to stop?
Who are you to say to the stop of the world, of
It's
the
when you're
universe? Guys, never stop if you succeed. If you stop and then you succeed, yes.
It's when you're the moment is giving life lesson.
No cap.
All facts.
Okay, dunk. Wait lang. The camera has to be like good. Wait a minute. Para makita nyo. Ayan! Okay, I'll be here lang. Ano, masaya na kayo, guys.
One more rose. Two hands. One more rose. Two hands. Okay, ayoko na.
Send hearts. Thank you for the heart. I love you.
Thank you for the heart. I love you.
Thank you for the heart. I love you.
Heart.
How many viewers, bro?
Heart.
Kailangan
240.
namin gipit namin, guys.
Guys, can you send
For McDo lang, please.
Can you send a galaxy?
100 bros, please.
Can you send a galaxy?
What's a galaxy?
Guys, galaxy cassette's my birthday.
Send a Samsung, guys.
What the fuck is CCS?
What's CCS, bro?
CCS, man.
Sakit.
CC's.
CCS, babs.
Bossing!
Aray ko.
Bossing. Bro, I'm so hyper.
Si ate naman, dunk. Te, hindi ko abot yan. French tips. Are you in the Philippines? Hindi.
Are we?
Where are we?
Where are we ba?
Where are we?
In your heart.
Ano kami? Malayo.
Saan?
From the eastern, far eastern Laguna. East.
For the
Fell. I fell for you.
I think Canada.
Ano daw?
I think Canada. Is jealous COB in the other?
Kennedy.
what's a COB?
Who's CG?
Blow my head.
College and Computer Studies? Almond.
I am 5'6".
He's 6'1". Okay, maniwala. Hala, pababa ng pababa yung views.
210. Guys, send a rose and I will do something for you. Please, sana wala kang friends dito, Ate G.
Mali.
Okay,
Makikita ko
guys.
yan pag may friends ako.
Random feefles.
Random Fifals.
Just send a request and I will do it for you. Because I'm hyper. I have 2 copies in my body, in my system.
A for the 2 roses.
Oy, may
Pay
nagtanong.
for the process!
Jello, are you taken?
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
River shared the life.
Kuya River?
Din.
Kuya Weaver!
Tulog na yun.
Are you?
No, I'm sauce.
Would look good on you.
I'm wearing mine tomorrow.
Join the live. Does someone wanna join the live?
Guys,
Walang nagre-request
can we
pa.
do like join the live and then do a talent?
Really?
They know like you make people join the live and then one
And then?
person will join. They'll show their talent.
Guys,
I'll
my
join the
cousin,
live
my cousin is a 17-year-old boy, has a big chest, and will love you forever. He is
And
single.
a big...
War. Guys, join the live, show your talent, and we'll. Yes.
Wala bang request dyan?
Yes, yes. Show your talent, guys. Please, please.
Let's show your talent.
Request.
Please, guys. Please.
You'll see when if they request.
Guys, request, and you have to do
Request.
a talent
Casey, sali
of
ka,
yours.
Casey.
Who's Casey?
Kissy.
Casey.
Who's Casey?
Sorry, meron kasi akong...
Yes, we're all siblings. Our father is Muhammad. We all have different mothers.
Sorry kasi medyo may...
We all have different mothers, but we all come from the same father.
Yeah. Our father is Muslim kasi, yeah. No, why?
Muhammad.
Why? Bro! Why?
Ahalo Akbar.
God bless you also, my brother.
Hi guys, later. Kasi nga we have the same dad.
Yeah. Different moms though. My
Thanks,
mom
girl.
is half black. And what's yours?
Mine's Chinese.
Yeah, you can see. Look at the color, bro.
And look at the color, see?
See the difference.
How about Ronnie alone? Cousin.
Insan.
We came from Abraham.
Abraham.
Okay, who wants to
Guys, join the live, please.
Join the live.
Sino
please.
dyan gusto mag-join?
Someone-
Tatanggap ako ng
Gcash
request.
to, guys. Gcash, kakanta lang.
If we like it, Eddie.
Kakanta lang kayo, guys. Please. Please.
We don't make no jokes.
No, that's not a joke po. I'm sorry po.
180. Ay, pababa yung viewers natin. Naboboard.
It was from 177 to 184.
Ah, talaga.
No one wants to join. Like, if you
Guys, join and yeah, please.
show your talent.
Show your talent, guys. all vibes lang tayo. Vibes lang tayo.
Rafa,
guys.
laruan mo na
No
ng
one
guitar.
will judge. No one will judge.
Bili na kayo, guys. Watson's
I have no
Koala.
talent.
Ay, gago. Babaan ka pala.
Bakit?
Yan, di ba pag nagpakita ka ng shirt, tapos magbibenta ka?
Eh?
May voice recognition yan.
Gago.
Oo nga.
Bawal ka magbenta sa live?
Oo. Pag sinabi mo
Eh, paano
brand,
yung mga nagla-live selling? Bakit pwede sila?
pwede sila kasi may license yun. Tayo bawal.
Ano ba yun? Hi, Rafa!
Uy, Rapa.
Who's that?
Who's just... I don't know who that is. Oh my
Guys. Yo!
Thank you. Guys,
That's another dunk, guys.
you don't have to do that.
Another dunk. That's another dunk, guys.
Thank you.
Di naman dunk yun eh.
Ayaw ko na, guys.
Pagod na siya.
Nalobat na ako.
Si Loki nagsusunod doon. Baka kung ano-ano na.
If
Yo.
the world...
Yo!
Why?
Hi, 20. Is it done?
They're 2K25.
Iniintay nila yung 2K25 nila kasi.
Comment down below, guys, if
Hindi naman
nakakakuha
daw.
na kayo ng 2K25.
Loki as in L-O-K-I.
Patrick T!
I miss you, Boss Patrick. Please tour us again in Cebu. My brother.
Please.
Ba't kaya ka magsalit?
Hindi ko din alam eh.
My brother.
Why you know those dogs where you throw the ball tapos they headbutt and then bounce it back?
Miss you guys, let's eat. Sabi niya.
Right now, tara.
Right now.
Where are you from? Where we are from the farther eastern Laguna.
Of Canada.
Oh! You got a bird on your head.
Ba't naman gano'n?
You got a bird on your head.
Thank you.
Guys, birthday ni Belle, guys. Magbigay kayo ng gifts. Guys, please.
Bigyan niya ng gift
Guys.
si Belle, yung malupitan.
Yung may ano.
Hey!
Join my team.
Join my team.
Anak ka ba ni Kibuloy?
Guys, send gifts kasi it's my birthday. Pang ano lang.
Tama.
Ba't wala si Ate Alexis? She's in another house.
Kuya Jello.
Uy, brother.
Sino yan?
Joaquin. I think.
Wherever you go, that's where
Yo, that goose was expensive.
Really?
Oh, really? We'll find out later.
Guys, may pang McDo
Thank
na
you
kami,
so
guys.
much.
Thank you. Sheesh.
Game na ulit, kuya.
Tara.
Anong Alice Kuwo?
Sino?
Ako daw.
Ito, Alice.
Guys, nakalaya na ho si Alice Guo. Uy,
Happy birthday!
Thank you for the cake. I love you. Thank you for the cake.
3, 2, 1, my birthday. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Happy
birthday to me. Yo, yo.
Happy
Sino din?
birthday.
Okay, thank you.
Wherever you
Guys,
Ano pinaka-hard na lagu i-build? Naka-hold in.
nako.
Hoy, tigilan niyo.
You do look like her. What the hell?
What the hell?
Can I join your live? If you're gonna sing, brother.
Yeah, sure, you can join my live.
Sing or dance?
Sing, dance, any talent, magic, gusto niyo pa?
Oh, Bell!
No!
Again, one more.
One more, please.
Sa'yo na nga itapat. Para pag
Come here, guys.
It's okay, bro. I'm good in the darkness because I'm...
Ano po talent ni Rafa?
Ba't Rafa?
my talent.
Rafa.
Nagigitara yan.
R-A-F-A. Rafa, pakita
Pakita mo ng gitara mo. Yan na, guys. Kakanta na yan.
Ayun na, happy birthday.
Don't do that.
We earned
Thank
600 already.
Ulol.
Totoo ba? Guys, tama na.
Guys, gawin natin 5K, guys.
Gago ka ba? Merry Christmas.
Tingin ka ng kang dito. Tingin ka na kang...
Ay, hindi kasi nag-ask ako kay mama ng watch.
Thank you. Birthday Alice. Pang Oka.
Uy, thank you for the heart. Ay, for the
Thank you
rose.
for the 15 roses. Thank you for the 26 roses.
Yo, title
Yeah, for the
gift. Yo, what
for
the
46,
fuck?
For the 45,
Dumb.
7, 62,
Dumb.
69, 76, 80.
I'm gonna kiss you, bro.
87, 91,
Don't do that, bro. I'm gonna
95,
kiss you.
101, 14,
No,
108,
yo, I'm gonna kiss you,
Wow.
bro. Don't do that, bro.
Oh my
Wait, how much
gosh.
is a rose?
I don't know.
50 cents
God.
or 1 peso.
Bro, that's too much, bro.
Tama na.
Tama na, guys.
Tama na.
Nagagaspang lang kami.
Tama.
Guys, trip lang to.
Oh my
Hindi namin
gosh, she's
ginawa
still
to para
going.
umita, guys.
Oh, it's 1 peso.
1 peso, 1
Wow,
rose.
we've earned 200 something pesos.
Ooh, thank you for the
Uy,
rose.
okay
Oh
na
my
po.
God.
Tama na.
Oh
Grabe,
my
but-
God. Dom, what do you want me to do, bro?
I'll do it.
Anong
I'll
gagawin
do
niya doon?
whatever,
Lahat
bro.
ng gusto mong gawin. Para sa kanya.
Yo!
Ay, para sa'yo.
300! 3!
Wow.
Tama na,
Yo!
bestie. Tama na, bestie.
Yo, there's an ice cream cone. What the fuck?
Thank you.
What's an ice cream cone, bro? Show me the ice cream.
La, what's
Wow,
CLA?
400?
Yes,
Oh my God,
absolutely.
stop na, bestie.
Is he gonna reach 1K? Oh, I think he's slowly stopping.
Yo, what the fuck? 408.
Stop! Okay, sorry, ano yung phone ko? Lowbat. Kuya Jello, bawal magmura sa TikTok. Uy, tama na, bestie. Okay na.
Yo, thank you for the chocolate, ah. That's my color, eh.
Whoa, he's still going.
Oh my God!
Dom,
Baka 5K yan!
Dom,
Dom.
I love you na.
I love you na.
Grabe. Will you be mine?
Yes, I do.
Will you be mine?
Uy! Will you be mine daw?
Staff. Staff it.
Jonathan, dunk it.
Holy
O, dangkan mo daw. Dangkan mo pa. Isa pa daw na
Pag
daw.
nagsabi si
Ganun
Dom.
yung 1K.
Pag nagsabi si Dom.
Asan na ba si Dom?
Joke lang, guys.
Yung
Sorry
pala
naman
nakatulog
pa ako.
lang, no? Naku, ganun lang. Uy,
Yo,
tama na.
what the
Tama na.
fuck?
Tama na. Tama na.
Yo, who are your
Babalik ko
viewers,
yan
bro?
sa'yo.
Dom, please stop, Dom. Holy crap.
Uy, ang dami niya ng gift.
Dom's my king.
I feel like he's the one that got us the cake and the
Hoy!
happy birthday. Yo, what the fuck, Dom? Yo!
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Get you a man who can
Guys.
easily spend for you like that.
Guys, yan yung roast na una
Oh
kong
my god,
natanggap.
you're gonna reach
The joke
1K.
lang. Yo, what the fuck?
When is he gonna
Dom!
stop?
Dom, don't do that.
Sana all maraming pera.
Grabe.
Pang golf ko yan, no?
Dangkan mo daw, dali. Uy,
Dominic.
Pag 1K, we celebrate.
Dominic.
huy, send mo yung Gcash, may babalik ko yan sa'yo, promise. Hindi to tama.
Wala kaming ginawa
3,
kundi
2, 1.
manggaspang.
Ay.
Tapos, bibigyan mo
Happy
kami
1K!
1,000. What the fuck? He's still going, bro.
Dude, I swear
Oh
he
my
fell asleep.
God, bestie, sleep.
Yo, thank you for the ice cream.
Dom, English or Spanish?
1 rose can be 3
Uy,
pesos.
ayun.
Yo, what?
Wow.
What?
Wow.
Thank you, bro.
Let's calculate.
Thank you for the
Wow.
1,069. Even the 69 can do a lot.
Wait, I'm confused.
259.
Can you calculate that?
Hello, guys.
Somebody calculate that. Oh
Yo,
my God.
what the fuck?
Dom, gising ka pa ba?
Dom, send your
Nakatulog ka ba?
Gcash right now, bro. Galaxy? A galaxy?
What's that?
What the fuck? Guardians of the Galaxy, tol.
This man is loaded. This man is loaded.
Guardians of the Galaxy, tol.
Oh my
What's a galaxy?
gosh.
How much
Galaxy
is a
is like
galaxy, bro?
500
Check mo nga.
pesos.
Watch my
or like,
live right now.
what the
Like, watch my
fuck?
live right now and then go to gifts and then check.
or like
Where
1K.
Oh my God, bestie. Ibabalik ko yun sa'yo. This is not correct.
Hi from California.
Yo.
Yo, thank you so much.
That's too much. Hala, walang G. Enough! Enough!
Bro,
Enough!
We'll send
Thank
you back
you.
the money.
when we get there, send your address, bro.
I'm gonna be there next year, like around
May.
May or June. Let's meet up. I'll give you back the money. Check mo yung
I'll
gift.
treat you
No, check mo
Chick-fil-A,
yung gift.
bro.
Check mo yung gift.
Gift?
The glasses is also
Yun yung
fine.
price,
He
eh.
said, bet I'll pick you up. Are you famous? Like, how do you
what?
have so much? You don't even... That's crazy.
That's crazy, bro.
You'll pick me up? No, it's okay. I will Uber.
I will pick you up.
You
We
got
will
a car,
pick you
bro.
up. Hi
Why-
from Fordham.
Why are you
Our
guys...
cousin is from Fordham.
No way.
Are you for real?
Nah,
Are you
nah, nah,
capping?
nah, nah.
Why
You're
are you guys
capping.
mad?
Bro, look.
I don't believe
Bro, look,
you.
4 followers. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, Galaxy's not even in the gifts, bro.
Huh? What do you mean it's not in the
1,000.
gifts?
1,000 whatever the coin is.
Wait nga. Can we check? Recharge.
Guys,
Gago ka? Look how much.
Gago, that's too much.
It's like what?
Next time you can send Leon the kitten. Sorry.
Just the
5K.
Wag. Don't,
I'm just
don't. Galaxy, bro, that's too much, bro.
Stop
Dom,
it!
That's
Stop
like
it!
4 galaxies
Stop
already,
it
bro.
right
Bro, that's
now.
4 galaxies, bro.
Bro, how does this guy have this much money?
I came from acting like a dumbass to getting 4
Loki, say
galaxies.
thank you. Say thank you, Dom.
No way, that's 6K? Guys, thank you guys. What the fuck?
Dom pahingi pera. Yeah, enough gifts, Dom. That's enough.
Dom, are you white?
Are you white?
He got a galaxy. He's white. He's
That's
white.
like his fifth
Oh, what? He's
galaxy.
Filipino. He's Filipino.
Oh, you're Filipino.
Kababayan.
Kababayan!
Have you...
I will meet you there.
Wait, my English is lagging. How long have you been staying in America?
Dom is Alex. Cool.
Guys, si
That's
Alice
freaking
Go,
crazy.
nakawala na ho. Nandito na po sa aming bahay. Nagla-live pa. Kunyaring Jella Alonte, guys.
I was born there.
Tawagin niyo
Oh, you were
yung
born
NBI.
How old are you? 5?
Don't tell me you're like 40 or something, bro.
Bro, that's respect if you're 40, bro.
High key, like.
High key.
Jello Guo.
Oh, he's
23. Kuya. Oh, motherfucker. Motherfucker.
I think you should chill. That's too much, my man.
That's crazy.
Come live with us. We
Oh,
want to
yeah.
meet you. That's freaking
Dom
crazy.
should go live with us.
What time is it there? Like 2 p.m. or something?
Dom, take me to the
Wherever
league.
you go, that's where
11 a.m.
Jella, hatian mo na lang ako. Hindi guys, it's so wrong. I'm gonna return it to him.
Dom, send your what? Visa
PayPal?
card. Visa, PayPal.
Dom, go live and
Apple
we'll send
Pay.
you the galaxies.
Yeah, send me a DM on Instagram or something. Layon nga, Dom. Uy, tigilan nyo guys. Kayo nga mag-send naman. Tinutusan. Guys,
Guys,
we're at 369.
Whoever joins, we're gonna give you
Oh,
100
pesos.
kisses.
Can you like join our live?
Join the live and show us your
Kasi
talents,
nagtatangahan
guys.
na kaming apat
I'm
dito
here.
eh.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Lion King, bro.
He wasn't kidding, guys. He wasn't joking. I was joking.
What the fuck is the lion, bro? How much is that
That's
shit?
5K.
That's 5K?
Is that
Dom.
not 5K?
Wait, but I think...
Ah, 500.
Okay, fuck.
I thought lion was the biggest.
Guys, tama na. Tama na, guys.
Bro, it's 2:15.
Oh, it's 500.
This shit is making me hungry.
How do I know how much I have?
Bro, we got 400, bro.
Wherever you
have friends.
go, that's where I'll... Ayun, guests.
Okay, wait.
Hi po.
May talent ka, brother.
Meron, syempre.
Yan. Sample.
Oh, please state your name
Your name,
and your talent.
your talent, and
Anong talent ba nga gusto nyong makita?
kahit anong talent, brother, basta wow.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
Peter Jan Francis Simon from Switzerland.
Oh,
Yo!
Switzerland? Dude, I love Switzerland.
Ulol, brother.
Yeah, I love you too. Joke lang.
Brother, go.
Nasaan kayo ngayon? Babay na nga. Ang saya nyo eh.
On cam, bro. On cam.
Hindi, andito ako sa labas bro eh.
Okay, what's
I
your
wanna
talent
see the
nga?
view.
Ano nga yung talent mo?
Wait lang,
Switzerland.
nag-iisip pa ako eh. Ano na yung talent ko ulit?
Singing, dancing?
Hindi.
Magic,
Hindi ako marunong dyan, boss.
comedy.
Ano lang, ano ba talent ko? Wala kang maisip eh. Ito, magpapakita na lang kami ah.
Ay.
Ito.
Switzerland.
Itong tropa ko may talent eh.
Yan.
Uy, gago, siya i-type ka naman. Nonchalant kasi ito eh, nonchalant.
Nonchalant yan, boss.
Uy, magpakita ka, boss. Babay na nga. Pakik po, pakik.
Pakik daw. Bye-bye.
How do you
Paano
click
in
though?
disconnect?
I don't know.
There,
Oh, there, disconnect. Bye!
Thank you.
Ano ba yun?
Guys,
Guys,
bro.
sinong lalaban doon kay, pangalan
sino
niya?
man yun.
Peter John.
Yo, yeah. We got 2 more questions.
Ayun!
Thrift tonight? Yo, I love thrift. Magbudol ka sa akin, please.
Baka no live selling ha?
I mean, we could...
Hello.
Hi, boss.
Bumili po kayo ng damit ko sa IG, Trip Tonight. Tapos dito sa TikTok, Trip
Yan,
Tonight.
support tayo, guys. Support.
Let's support. Okay, thank
IG,
you.
Trip Tonight. Check nyo yung page. Maraming Carhartt doon. Sabay mga
Bro,
duties.
baka may discount naman dyan, bro.
Check nyo ha.
Opo ha?
Maraming salamat po.
Baka may discount ka dyan, bro.
Andun po yung talent ko
Hindi ako
nasa...
ni Dom.
Andun yung talent ko sa IG. May kita nyo sa Reels. Andun yung talent ko. Puntahan nyo doon.
Okay.
Thank you, ah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ay, sorry. Sapa.
Guys, talent, guys.
Ito.
Ayan, si ate.
Si ate.
Si Ate
Baka singer to,
Butterfly.
Si
singer.
ate Butterfly. Si Rob.
Ate, are you a singer?
Hello po. Kapindot lang yun, gog.
Singi. Ngi.
Okay, ngi.
Hello, Ngi.
Don't disappoint me, ha? I like your name.
Ngi.
Hi.
Hi. Sige, wag kang mag...
Puta, napindot. Ay, sorry. Napindot.
Sa pang...
Guys, ayaw.
Si ito na lang. Yan.
Uy, tama na, Dom. Tama na.
Dom, what the fuck?
Hi.
Dom?
Is anyone?
Oh!
What's your
It's
talent?
a girly. Hi, sissy.
Oh my god, I'm just kidding. What happened?
I'm just kidding.
Don't be shy.
You don't have a
na.
talent?
Don't be
I
shy.
don't have a talent.
Everyone has
Just
a
sing
talent.
anything.
Can you sing?
No, I can't.
Ano na lang, sing happy birthday for Belle.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Belle. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, nice to meet you.
No, babe, I think we can add a lot of people, multiple times.
Yeah, but it's gonna be one by one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, next.
Knock na lang.
Si Choco Butter na.
Bet. Knock jokes, guys.
Choco Butter na.
Knock
Sige,
jokes.
pagalingan ng knock-knock.
And then
jokes,
whoever
okay?
makes us laugh, 100 pesos Gcash. Get.
Okay, ba't may Gcash ka? Wala kang Gcash eh.
Oh, Choco Butter na. Ano na? Ay.
Ay, wala na.
Knock jokes, whoever makes us laugh.
This guy looks promising.
Whoever makes us laugh, 100 pesos. No.
Hello. Sabi niya, uy, gago.
Fuck. I can't say
Gulat
that.
siya eh.
I'm sorry. No.
Miss
Bilis
Nim.
ni Mingyu. Ay, kaagaw ko.
Sige, siya na
Charot.
lang.
Poging kalbo? Sino yung kalbo?
Hello.
Guys, knock joke and yeah.
Or talent.
Or whatever.
Hello.
Hello po.
Hi.
Hi, ate.
Hello. What's your name?
Ate lang po.
Nix. MYX.
Hi, Nix.
Do you have a talent?
Oh, I'm shy.
Knock joke na lang ate.
Joke.
Knock joke na lang po. Please. Anything. Or a joke lang. Para lang mapangiti ako kasi malungkot ako eh. What the fuck did I do, bro? Why did I do that?
Ano na?
Bakit kayo ganito? Oh, knock-knock joke.
Wala.
Hindi, tatambay lang si ate. Paano daw yung malungkot?
Sa lungkot ko, nagkagalaw sila.
Grabe.
Wait,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.
Bye po, Mix.
Bye po. Thank you.
Have a nice night to the good night.
Bye.
Please have a talent show.
Kaya nga, why are you guys pushing
Boss,
out?
payag ka. Bigyan ka 50 million, mag-aalaga ka lang ng baka. Basta pag umiyak, bubuhatin mo. 50M.
Yes. Okay.
Baka. Happy Jello Day.
Ay, buang.
Hindi pa naman ako patay, guys. Hindi naman ako national hero.
Okay, who do you want?
Yo,
Yung ba yung kanina?
Yoboj,
Yung
Yoboj.
kanina?
Yoboj.
Yung ba yung taga-Switzerland?
Yoboj. Hindi.
Oh, yeah, that is him.
Yo, I'm back. Let's go!
Oh, siya. Oh, brother, ito. Pag napatawa mo kami, basta may price ka.
Oy, 100 Gcash na to. Let's go.
Mabadali akong patawarin.
Walang tatawa kasi.
Knock, knock, man.
Who's there, man?
Boss! joke lang. Wala, di pa ready. Mag-iisip ulit ako. Knock, knock, man.
Who's there?
Ble.
Who?
Blebot. Bet. Oy, tumawa ka.
Sige, brother. Send Gcash.
Oy, let's go. Totoo ba yan?
Kasi!
Mema yan na.
Ano na tayo? You go. De. Sige. Send mo yung Gcash mo sa akin. Jello Alonte sa Instagram. Yan.
Lo, sino yun?
Ako bahala sa'yo, pare.
Sa'yo yun! Kapatid ko yun.
Jella. Yes.
Jella?
Jella.
Jello Alonte.
Sige. Mamaya, DDM ko yun, ha?
G, brother.
Uy. Thank you sa
Bye-bye.
pang-load, boss.
Bye-bye.
Jella, bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Lepot.
Ikaw yung tawa na tawa. Sabi ko, hindi ka tatawa.
Okay. Ito, legit na.
Uy, yung 2K niyo, okay na.
Okay,
Don't
guys.
press it yet, bro.
Who do you
Don't press
think?
it yet. Until Dom leaves the live, I'm not leaving.
Who do you think?
Ako may iFriends pala yan. Increase daw 200 pag napatawa. Request ni boss, no?
Ano?
Sino pa gusto, guys? Parang ano na lang, 50. Tawa kami ng tawa eh.
Accept someone
2v1. Magtanggap ka daw ng 2 tao. Ganun ba yun?
2v1.
Hindi.
Hi! Oh, I've never been to Athens. How is it there?
Can we choose someone?
Do you have...
Si Ralph Calvin, top 5 viewer.
Ayun, yun.
Loyal yan.
Oh, guys. Kahit kayo na maganda.
Hi, Ralph.
Hi, boss. Hello.
You have a talent?
Rinig ako, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, knock, man.
Who's there, man?
Isabaw mo sa kanin, ihi ng kambing.
Isa ba mo sa kanin, ihi ng kambing? Who?
Isabaw mo sa kanin, ihi ng kambing.
Siya yung magbibigay ng 50. Siya magbibigay ng 50. Di ako tumawa. Siya magbibigay. Boss, siya magbibigay, boss. Wala ako dyan, boss.
Natawa na sa sarili niyan, joke! Doon ako natawa.
Good vibes ka, boss. I love you, boss. Message mo na lang
boss,
sa
thank
DM.
you.
Hindi ko na kaya.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Next, thank you,
Hindi ako
boss.
pwede sa game na to. Lugi
DM
ako.
mo na lang si Ate Jella.
Lugi ako.
Wait, paano ba to? Wait lang.
Lugi ako.
No, press him.
Oh. Bye, boss.
Thank you. Baka may joke pa siya.
Wala na. He's silent na eh.
Hindi mo mabasa yung comments. Wait lang.
Ayoko na. Basta pag tumawa kami, good vibes na lang tayo.
Si Rafa nonchalant. Nonchalant talaga yan.
Good vibes na lang tayo, guys.
Yeah, no more money ha.
Basta yung dalawang nauna may money. Just give me my money.
Wow, all over the world tayo
Golf
swing reveal. Dumadami kayo Si MP.
Mukhang trusted to.
Okay, sideways ulit
Trusted.
Ay,
Hindi trust
MP.
Trusted.
LC300.
C300?
Anong LC? Wait na, tayo.
Di ba yung pang-deliver?
Sorry, ate.
Hindi na po ako nagbabasketball, guys. Hindi na ako nagbabasketball. Ng mga app kong mabal.
Hindi ko talaga alam yun na bawal mag-mention ng app.
Ay, oo nga pala. I'm sorry.
Champagne Papi?
Yan.
Si Drake.
Baka si Drake yan. Drake.
Bossing!
Okay.
Sound the same.
Bossing nga pang good
Pag
vibes.
game.
Okay.
Walang pera.
Walang pera daw ba?
Wait lang.
Okay. Kasi mahirap.
Knock.
Who's there?
Pow.
Po? Who?
Isa pa. One more. Knock.
Who's there?
Pow.
Po who?
Wait, actually. Last one, I swear. Knock.
You say, bro.
Pow. Pow, tang ina mo! Matagal na ako sa bahay na to. Ginagago mo lang ako.
May isa pa, brother.
Wala na.
Wala na. Okay.
So we kept
Nice to
her
meet
calm
you.
there.
Our first dub of the night, guys.
Nairaos ko, guys. Nairaos ko.
Huwag ka kasi tumawa.
Si Rafa tumawa Rafa lang.
Sinantsa lang talaga eh.
Guys, di ko na kayo kaya. Uy, ang laki. Yan pala eh.
Gago, ba't lumaki?
Ano ba yun? Ano yung sinasabi niyang pohu? Ano yun?
Tang ina mo.
Uso ba yun? Ay, natanggap na natin ito, diba?
Yeah.
Okay. Siya. Okay, Madrid, you're up. Hi.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hi. You have a
Can you guys hear me? Okay, ito.
Yeah.
May joke ako pero hindi siya knock.
Okay.
Okay, so, paano gumawa ng pulang itlog?
Paano?
Wala pa ito katawa na siya.
Wait lang, okay. Retry. Paano gumawa ng pulang itlog?
Paano?
Di kamutin mo. Tatawa niya yan.
Di ano daw?
Kamutin mo. Fuck! Ba't ka tumawa?
Okay, so my Gcash is 0968-852-5460.
Wala na ngang pera, boss.
Posy! We're broke.
We're done.
Hindi, mayaman tayo. Ang daming sinet
Pwede
dito.
na,
Vibes
may
lang
nga
po.
pala.
One Galaxy.
Message mo na lang ako.
One Galaxy. Sige, boss. Message mo na lang daw siya.
Salamat, boss. Salamat sa Galaxy, boss.
Samsung.
Okay na.
Guys, siguro last na and I'll be out of the live.
Same.
I'll play.
Sino? Ikaw na pumili. Babae naman.
Oh, sige. Bena. Yung mga girls dyan. Pakita nyo yung
si Gustavo.
kapangyarihan ng babae. Hello.
Hi. I can say any square root of any number.
No way.
Talent pa din siya. Square root of any number.
What is the square root of 287? I don't even
May
know.
ganun ba? Wala naman atang 287, tanga.
In like 16.94 something.
Okay, wait.
We need to like search it up.
Bro,
No, just use a calculator.
it. She might
Just use a calculator.
Square root of 2. What did I say?
87.
Yo.
16 something.
Bro. Really? You're not using a calculator?
No, yeah.
Open cam
You
nga.
swear? Open your cam.
Open cam nga.
Bro, no, it's
It's my
dark.
first time meeting someone like this, bro.
She's like that girl I see on TikTok that can like doing you know doing that. Yung
Give
parang
me the number.
Okay,
1,000.
square root.
Search mo muna.
Square root of what? Ano?
Okay. May ganyan ba yan?
Yeah.
What is the square root of 1,167?
I don't know. It's late. I need to sleep. Bye. Sorry.
Bro said, I don't know.
Hindi yun na daw kaya mag-isip.
Guys, huwag nyo na kaming lokohin.
What the hell, guys? We haven't found someone.
Last na talaga, last. Uy, si Yobo, siya na naman siya.
So what about si Gustavo na lang?
Sige, go.
Choco.
Or butternut?
Gustavo.
Tanggapin nyo na kaya lahat. Para isahan na lang.
Ikaw ba'y nasa Pinay Flix, gago?
Yeah, rockstar.
Dom, thank you. Hello.
I love Rafa Nunez.
Is that
Is that your friend, Alonzo?
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's your friend.
Bro, he didn't even do nothing, bro. Like, what?
Who's that?
Choco
Ayan,
butter.
oh.
Casey!
Who's Casey?
I actually don't know who that is.
Who's Casey?
My friend.
It's not loaded.
Casey!
Hala, napindot ko lang.
Napindot mo lang ba? Akala
What's your
ko-
talent po? Joke lang. Wait. Friend ba?
Friend.
Hello po.
Hello po.
Friend ko.
Kamusta naman si ate maging kaibigan?
Ano, nakita ko siya yung brother mo last time. Ay, matagal na eh. Sa Shell.
Shell?
Sa Shell ni Don.
Ay, nakita niya ako doon.
Ay, hindi.
Fan siya ni Donnie.
Nice to meet you.
Loyal fan yan ni Donnie. Ang sipag niyang...
Wait, so taga dito ka lang din? Like,
Hindi.
so paano ka napunta doon? Ang layo nun. Wala lang?
Lang.
Wow, Dom.
Uy, may roses ka na rin, Ate Casey.
Okay,
Oh, wait. Hanap lang kami ng mga mapagtitripan namin. Thank you, Casey!
Okay, bye-bye.
Boy.
Bye.
Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow.
Oh, sino na?
Dom, you gotta stop it, brother.
Dom, you gotta join.
Ito si Yoda.
Dom, you gotta join, Dom.
Di mo lang dahil sa'yo, ako'y di makakain. Di rin makatulog buhat ng iyong lukahin. Kung ako'y muling iibig sa ating katulad mo, tulad mo na kahit pusong but bye,
Thank you!
Bye, Nani!
Binigyan ka ng rose ni Dom!
Thank you, Dom.
Hey, I like your energy, ha? It's like,
It's like matching the vibes of us.
Yes.
It's like Meralco, ha? I
Wala
like
pang
it.
kumakanta kanina pa.
Kaya nga
Yun nga hinahanap namin eh.
Ate, can you sing more songs?
Nahiya na ako ba nanonood yung friend ko?
Gusto ko yung yung medyo malamig. Parang,
Sumalamig.
Ano yung malamig na parang
malamig.
Kaya mo yan?
Ano kasing title nun?
Sining.
Can you please sing Sining?
May entry ako. Gusto ko yung kumakanta. Oh, she left.
Halfway there. Brown.
Gusto ko yung kumakanta, guys.
I was halfway there.
Nangangagat.
100 eaters.
May entry ako. Oh, bet.
100
Sino daw?
eaters. Can feel one SUV. No. SOS. Somebody rescue me. Got to me.
Hello? What's your entry, brother?
Hey, bro.
Hi.
Hi. Oh shit, I pressed the wrong guy.
Ay.
Ito kasi, sorry.
Ayaw.
Yo. Thank you for the roses.
Hello!
Bossing, ano ang entry mo, boss? Put. Yeah.
Bro, guys, this is so like sad.
Gusto ko yung may mag-on ng video.
I want someone who can dance maybe this time.
Maybe.
Like, it's not even like, I don't understand why you
What
guys
time
are
is
shy.
it? Okay, guys, I'm fucking out. I'm going. I'm playing
Okay, guys.
I'm playing my fucking game.
Last person, tas matutulog na kami ni Mariana.
Play my fucking game.
Sino?
The top one.
Ah, sige.
I'm playing my game.
Ayun, no?
Ayun na ba on?
What's up mga tropa dyan? What's up?
What's your
Taga saan
talent?
po kayo? Taga saan kayo?
Laguna.
I'm from Laguna too.
Where in Laguna are
I'm
you
from San Pablo.
San Pablo.
Medyo malayo.
What's up, Dom? Thank you for the roses.
Dami niyang rose, oh.
Dami oh.
What's your talent?
I make music, guys.
Oh, he makes music.
Mag-duet kayo.
I'm on Spotify. Yo!
Sample.
Can you sample?
What's up?
Can you play your music, bro? On the live.
You can play it. Play it.
No,
Play
can
it
you
there,
sing
man.
a cappella?
Actually, I got something. I have
Oh, yeah.
Turn up. Mamaya kayong matulog.
Oh, go na.
Ano gusto nyo kanta? Anong gusto nyo kanta?
Sining.
Fuck sining, man. I'm getting tired of that shit.
Palagi.
Yeah, another one.
Yan, palagi.
Let's
DJ.
do a classic.
Tell me where it hurts.
Tell me where it hurts.
Wait, let me search mine. Ed Sheeran. Let's sing it.
Okay,
Sige.
Afterglow.
I don't know, Afterglow, sorry.
Thinking out loud.
Perfect.
Wait, ako pipili. Ako na lang pipili.
Oh, yeah.
Maghintay na lang kayo.
Okay, take your... Oh.
Do you know one?
One.
One?
One?
Sheeran?
Like one?
No.
Pero go, brother.
Go lang.
Someone that you turn down the man who was for your hand. Ayoko na. Nag-gift sila. Salamat po. Wait lang. Thank you, Dom. Thank you, MJ. Wait. Pipili muna ako ng song. Okay lang ba?
Go. Dapat buuin mo naman.
Let mo 30 seconds.
Mga chorus lang.
Still chord.
Wait. Wait lang.
Yung malupitan.
Kaya nga, gusto ko rin yung malupitan, syempre. Kasi may mga nag-gifts. Thank you, Dom. Si singer pala. What's up? Ito na si Chevel kanina. Naka-live yan kanina.
Ano
Wait
na?
lang. White lips, pale face, breathing in the stove flame, running close, our tale. Lights gone, days in, struggling to pay rent, long nights, strange men. So now, she's in the car, saying, something her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems only sinking, wasting. Pastries and lace rings, the worst things in life don't reach your eyes.
Uy, may galaxy ka!
Wow! What the fuck? What's happening? Tangina! Seryoso ba yun? Gago, seryoso ba yun?
Uy, alam nyo, big time yan si Dom, taga California siya. Tapos
What's
kami
up?
binigyan niya
What's
kami
up,
ng
Big Love
5
Dom?
galaxies
I'ma
and
follow you, Dom.
1,000 roses.
Hold up. Kakina, gago first time ko nangyari sa buhay ko nun, tol. Dom, what's your favorite song, Dom? Maybe I can sing it for you, Dom.
Okay guys, bye!
Ako pala yung naka-live dito. W Dom in the chat, promise, tol. Magla-live dapat ako. Tapos nag-scroll muna ako para mag-warm up. Thank you, G. Also, G, I'm called G.
Ah, talaga?
Oo, seryoso.
Cool.
So yeah, I'm gonna promote my shit again. I'm Grimes. I'm available on Spotify, guys. I make my original songs. And this year 2024, naglalabas ako ng kanta sa lahat ng Friday na dadaanan. Yeah.
What's his Spotify?
I'm Grimes. My name.
The username. Here, check it out. Can you?
Check out my name. Thank you, Dom. Where are you at, Dom? What's your favorite song? Thank you, Gia. Thank you.
Claro.
Pinaccept niyo ako dito sa live. Tapos nagka-galaxy ako, tol.
He's... Oh, yeah. Upload later.
Yeah.
Listen to If I Ain't Got You, Kamo. I recommend If I Ain't Got You.
Okay.
What's up? Who's King K? What's up, Kyle?
Casey, kakanta ka? Legit ba? Sumali ka na dito.
Dito ako sa gilid. Dito muna ako sa gilid. Okay lang ba?
Asan yun?
Paano ako pupunta sa gilid, guys? Kaya yung host. Thank you, Dom. Thank you, Dom.
Dami niyang song.
What's up, King Kyle?
Hindi ko alam, parang wala.
Dom, what's your favorite song, Dom?
Okay guys, I'm gonna go to sleep. Sumali na kayo sa
Thank
live
you,
ni
G.
Dom.
Thank you, G.
Thank you for your
Thank you, G.
talent.
Thank you. I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna go live on my profile.
Yeah,
After this one.
watch his live na lang guys.
Thank you, guys.
Hi.
Okay, thank you.